In the past 30 days, this channel has earned somewhere between $1,700 to over $26,000. In today's video, I will attempt to create a motivational channel using only AI. My plan is to automate the entire creative process, from script writing to voiceover to visuals and more. I stumbled upon this idea while consulting with ChatGPT for niche ideas for a faceless YouTube channel. After doing my research on YouTube, I was shocked by the numbers motivation channel, just like this one, and this one made by simply making videos like this. Let's get started. Step 1, channel creation. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us 10 YouTube channel name ideas for my motivation channel. I love this one. I've already created a channel. Let's go to YouTube Studio. Now go to the customization tab and the basic info. I will now rename my channel to Rise Revolution. Now head back to ChatGPT. Let me ask it to create a short YouTube channel description for my motivation channel. The result is amazing. Let's copy and paste it over here, click publish. And now we need a logo and banner. Step 2, branding. For this, I will be using Leonardo AI. After signing up, you'll come to this page. Here I am choosing this model, Dream Shaper V7. Click on it, then generate with this model. You'll come to this page. Here I ask on ChatGPT that give me an image prompt that I can put in DALL-E for a motivational YouTube channel logo, and then what you want in the logo. Then it gives you this prompt. Just copy it. And here on Leonardo, paste it here. Then click on generate. The results are unreal. This image is mind-blowing. Let's just download it. Now let's go to Canva and search for YouTube banner. I will keep it simple, go to elements and search for a black background. I will choose this one. Let me adjust the size. Now let's head back to ChatGPT and ask it to create 10 YouTube banner captions about subscribing to a channel that is about motivational videos. Now we have so many options, but I like this one. Let's just copy it and head back to Canva. Click on add a text, choose heading, and then just paste it here. Let me resize it a bit, and we are all set. Let's download it. Now head back to the YouTube Studio and upload our logo and banner. Let me show you how the channel looks. I actually love it. Let me know what you guys think. Step 3, video ideation. Now what all motivational channels do is they create videos using public speeches, interviews, and podcasts. So how do we find these interviews and podcasts? Here we're going to use ChatGPT. So I really like Denzel Washington, and I also have seen that Denzel Washington motivational video really do good on YouTube. Let's ask ChatGPT what are some of Denzel Washington's best public speeches. Now as you can see, ChatGPT gave me 4 different speeches and also a brief summary of each speech. Let me quickly read it so I can decide which one to choose. Let's go with number 3. So now let's go to YouTube and find this original video. Just copy and paste the title from ChatGPT. Here is the original video. Now just download this video. Step 4, video editing now. Once you have downloaded this video, head over to Google and search v.io to sign up for free. Now once you're on this page, click on media and select the video that we just downloaded. But now we have a problem. The original video is too long. Additionally, some podcasts and interviews can be 1 to 2 hours long. So how do we find and trim the important parts? Just go to Google and type YouTubetranscript.com. Once you're on this page, copy and paste the YouTube video link here. What this will do is it will create a full transcript of the video. Now head back to ChatGPT and refer to the summary. In this summary, it is written, "You shared putting God first and emphasize the importance of working hard." The main keyword here is hard work. Go to YouTube transcript and click Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Now search for hard work. Now look at this sentence. If we click on it, it will take us to the exact timestamp where it has been said. So now we know our video starting point. Come back to v.io, find the exact timestamp, then click on split. After that, just delete this part. Now just go to the subtitles and click on create auto subtitles. As you can see, the subtitles have been created. Now just select the first subtitle and adjust the size and place it in the center. Now I'm changing the font and the styles of the text. I recommend first going through the whole video and taking a look at the subtitles if everything has been generated correctly. Now let's go to Google and search pixabay.com. Once you're on this page, go to music and then search here for motivation. There are more than 4,000 plus royalty-free motivation music tracks. I will choose this one, simply download it. And now let's go back to video editing. Go to media and upload the music file. Drag it and drop it to the beginning of the video. Let's reduce the volume to 10 because I don't want super loud music. Also click this box and increase the fade in and fade out to 5 seconds. Now I will copy the music track by clicking Ctrl+C, then paste it by clicking Ctrl+V here. Now our entire video has music, and it's time to add B-roll. Just go to media, scroll down and click on stop media. So here in the video, as you can see, he says, "You have to work at it every day." Let's search for hard work. I like this clip. Now let's see how it looks.
You have to work at it.
Now as you can see, he says, "You have to plan every day." So I am searching for plan and adding a stock footage here. So this is how you need to add your B-rolls. Now, I will not show the entire video production because I don't want the video to be super long, but you got the point. So here I have the final video after I added stock videos. Let's just export it. Step 5, thumbnail design. Head over to Canva. Now search for YouTube thumbnail, go to Elements and choose the black background. Now I'm going to Google, type Denzel Washington and go to Images. Let's choose this image. Now head back to Canva and upload the image. Let me adjust the size. Go to Text and then click here. I will change the font to Impact. Now write any motivational quote. Here I will write here, if not now, then when. And simply download it. Now it is time to show you guys the final video.
You have to work at it. Every day, you have to plan. Every day. You've heard the saying, we don't plan to fail, we fail to plan. Hard work works.
It looks amazing, right? I hope you guys like the video. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I will see you guys in the next video.